This one down here is the challenge. I don't know how well you can even see, but I gotta come down here and try to tighten this up. And I'm assuming this cover's on here so that way you don't get dust all in these parts, but you think come up with a better way to do this. But what do I know? Okay, now that we got that done, try to figure out how this goes. And again, no instructions. I have no idea what I'm even doing here. Fits inside somehow. All right, I gotta put the phone down, and I'll be back with you if I figure this out. I think obviously this goes on this side. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay, so here it is. A little 250cc four-wheeler. And I don't know if these headlights are any brighter or not. It says not for nighttime use. I'm gonna take a little ride, see how it does.